Hi, this is 5 minutes Cosmo education video. This video topic will be on configuration of chain parts. So as you know, Uno has many parts to serve different purposes, but the three one we're focusing on are the RPC listen part, the REST API listen part, and the P2P listen part. Let me show you where these parts are from. If you run babyd start and tap in help, like here, you can see that there are many parts here, like a bunch of parts. But we just need to focus on these three. I'll walk you through each of these. So for the RPC listen part, if you have done like any send transaction or query, you will be aware of this flag node, and info query node here as well. RPC is short for remote procedure call. I advise you to Google it up. And for the second one, will be like REST API listen part. In here I have already set up the functional node, and here is the REST API. You can see here is a port 4317 and 1317. This one is default port, and it can help you like get information. Like you send a GET request to this localhost 1317, and it will return you a response body containing information you query for. You can also like send transaction with it. So in summary, RPC is a way to interact with Node, remote procedure call, and the second way to interact with Node is through REST API. And for the third one, the P2P listen part, if you look at this picture here, as you know it, like each of these network, and they have to like transaction to each other. So this node want to say, I just call this node is A and this node is B. So A, hi, hello B, I want to connect with you. B say, hi, nice to meet you, I'm B. And A, so I have this transaction, you want to see it? B say, yeah, I want to see it, send to me. I say, here's the transaction. And then they're all happy and they all consent to each other transaction. And for them to talk to each other, A and B, they need to expose a listen port. In this case is 26656. And that's it. That's P2P. And it's very important in consensus stuff. I advise you to look at this one here. Like look at the log here. The log here can tell you a lot of story. And you can see that a bunch of information here. You understand what I'm talking with the port 26656. And for RPC, if you want to change the RPC, there are two ways you can do this. You do it in config Tumblr. If you remember, in home, baby, config, config Tumblr, you will see like here's the P2P configuration option. This one is for RPC configuration option. And in the case of API, this one belongs to API configuration in app Tumblr. And I advise you to like read the configuration here to understand. In this case here, I have enabled API and the Swagger service. The Swagger service allows you to see, let's say it's a homework. You try with Swagger false and you will know what happened. And another way to like change your node is through this flag here, baby D start help. So it allows you like to change the part. If you can look at here, you will see that I have already listed this flag out. Try at home, and you know it, like you will see what will happen. This one here is the RPC one. No. What do I use for RPC? 2281, 2281, and voila. RPC error address. Please read scripts test not deploy. It contains like a lot of information, so I can help you going through stuff. And that's it. That's for today's video. Thanks for listening.